Which baby is underneath? Which baby is standing here? Hello! What are you doing here?
Volcano.
Why are you roaring? Are you a dinosaur? Are you a dinosaur? Okay, what happened to the dinosaurs? Where did they go? Didn't a meteorite come from space and it hit the earth? And then all the dinosaurs got scared. Am I correct?
Yeah. And the animals too old to run.
Some animals were too old to run. And then all the food finished. And slowly the dinosaurs disappeared, right?
Inside the volcano.
They disappeared inside a volcano. And how did we know? How did we human beings know that dinosaurs existed?
Because they see their fossils.
We saw their fossils, yes. And how is a fossil formed? When the animal sticks to the rock, it leaves an impression, right? And that impression is called the
Fossil.
And what was the dinosaur age known as?
Jurassic Age.
The Jurassic Age, and that's why the movie's name is the Jurassic Park. And yes, and which is your favorite dinosaur?
Bronchiosaurus and everything.
The Bronchiosaurus is your favorite because he eats all plants.
And also me.
He also eats you. And how big was he?
So
How
much.
He was so tall, na? Like buildings. Yeah, like trees and buildings. He had a very long neck. Yeah. Look at him. Look. Let's do a volcanic eruption. Let's get him scared. He's not scared, huh? He's very naughty. Is he scared of volcanic eruptions?
He can maybe.
He'll fight the volcano.
And he will break it.
He will break the volcanic mountain also. Oh my god, I'm so scared of him. Look, his color is also the color of the volcano.
That's why he's a super volcano bee.
What are the different things that you have already put inside? So what did you put? So many things. I think you put some color in it. Okay. And then did you put toothpaste also in it? Did you put toothpaste or not? Tell me. Huh?
I put in toothpaste.
You put my toothpaste in it? You put your toothpaste or my toothpaste?
Yours toothpaste.
Gee, you are so naughty. So yes, he put my toothpaste on, which was not needed. There was no need to put mommy's toothpaste. So obviously none of this is required. You just need to put baking soda or baking powder. He put baking soda, baking powder, red color. That is good actually because that will give the correct color. But the rest of the items I'm not sure. Did you put hand sanitizer also in it? Did you put hand sanitizer in it? Oh my god, you are so naughty. Soap in it? Did you put soap?
Yeah.
You also put soap in it. That's why it has the bubbles. See?
So I put this.
Now when we put this, what will happen? Yes, what is that called? And all the dinosaurs are also ready and all the other toys also. Can we start the explosion? Okay, Neil, go ahead. Add the Eno. Oh my goodness, look at it. That's a volcanic eruption. Oh my goodness, the lava and magma has come out. Neil, look. It has come out. Oh my goodness, look. Magma, lava, everything is flowing out. Now the brave dinosaur has gone to taste. Oh my god. Good job, Mr. Dinosaur. Good job.
He likes to play.
He likes to play.
Now he is my best friend.
He's your best friend. Okay, Neil, now say bye.
Bye.
Today was good.
Yay!
So much fun.
Please like and subscribe my channel and the bell. Press the bell icon. See you. Mama.